Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Amazon Prime video quality. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to fix the video quality on your Amazon Prime Video account, then first open up a web browser to begin. In the web address bar at the top, type in primevideo.com and press enter. Make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are, go ahead and select any content or video you'd like to play and give it a click on the play button. In order to change or fix your video quality for Amazon Prime, go to the top and click on this gear icon. You can choose from good, better and best, one of these three options. If your Amazon Prime video quality is bad, make sure to choose the best option from the pop-up. Once you make this change, you'll be able to improve or fix your video quality for Amazon Prime Video. But in order to stream your movie or TV show in the best quality, you must be connected to a stable internet connection. That is how you can easily fix your video quality on Amazon Prime. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.